Got a restriction on your Robinhood account and want it lifted? Let's fix that together. First, open the app and check your notifications. Robinhood usually tells you exactly why your account is restricted. It could be due to insufficient funds or bounce deposit or violating the PDT rule. To remove it, follow the instructions given. Often that means repaying a negative balance, completing identity verifications, or waiting out the restricted period. If needed, reach out to support directly from the app by tapping help, then contact support. Restrictions are frustrating, but they are usually fixable. It just takes a little patience and the right step. Have you ever been restricted and didn't know why? Tell me in the comments and I'll try to help. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.